Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with US Bank mobile app, full guide step by step clearly. To register with the US Bank mobile app, start by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app on your device once it's installed. You will be greeted with the home screen. Look for the register or sign up option and tap on it. Enter your personal information as prompted. This typically includes your name, date of birth, and social security number. Next, provide your contact information, including your email address and phone number. Create a unique username that you will remember. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again. Next, accept the terms and conditions. You may need to verify your identity through security questions or a verification code sent to your phone or email. Once verified, you will be prompted to set up additional security features, such as biometric login or two-factor authentication. Complete the setup process by following the on-screen instructions. After everything is set up, you can log into your account using your new credentials. You are now registered and ready to use the US Bank mobile app for your banking needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.